As part of the IAM4Rail project Work Package 8, Task 8.1, Holistic Asset Management, SNCF and Hitachi explore new ways to manage railway maintenance. Railway maintenance is complex due to the huge number of assets, the continuous changing condition, and the challenge to meet sustainability and availability. Both SNCF and Hitachi, from different perspectives, meet the same goal: to anticipate failures and to optimize resources.
At Hitachi, our approach is based on combining asset data with sensor data, maintenance records, and weather conditions to understand the real state of the assets and dynamically adapt maintenance plans to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Using temporal and geographical correlation techniques, the system identifies patterns that help anticipate failures and adjust maintenance plans. This approach enables real-time changes to maintenance plans, optimizing resources and reducing operational costs.
SNCF uses GNSS data to reconstruct train trajectories and detect infrastructure anomalies. The key lies in associating data from multiple sources to accurately locate faults and reduce response time. We associate the GNSS data from our trains with infrastructure segments, creating what we call train path objects that can be matched with one another. The system enables fault detection in fixed assets like safety beacons, track or catenary anomalies by analyzing train behavior when passing through specific zones, as you may see in the animation. Accurate fault localization reduces detection time, avoids unnecessary interventions, and improves infrastructure availability.
The results of the work carried out are promising. Two different paths, one shared goal: smarter, safer, and more efficient railway maintenance. Both proof-of-concept projects have shown that it is possible to improve maintenance management with limited data and intelligent tools. While Hitachi focuses on asset conditions, SNCF analyzes train behavior. Together, they offer a holistic view of the railway system. These developments lay the foundation for smarter, safer, and more efficient maintenance, aligned with the sustainability and reliability goals of European rail transport.